Hey there, I am really into ghee lately, G-H-E-E. So today I'm gonna make some roasted vegetables in ghee. Now, I don't even know what vegetables I have in the house, so I gotta look around a little bit. I think I might have some potatoes, maybe some Brussels sprouts. So I'll just see what's in the fridge, what looks good, and then we'll pop it in the oven and see how it comes out. Let's do it. Okay, I did think these were still in there. Brussels sprouts. Throw some herbs in there. Parsley. The Airbnb still, so I have things like all over this kitchen. It makes no organizational sense. That is one big sweet potato. Let's get cooking. All right, because we're in the Airbnb, I don't really know what cooking equipment I have. I think I have some roasting. I don't even think I have a roasting pan. I don't know what I have. So I'm gonna roast everything in this. First step, I need to chop it. This is kind of standard supermarket found Chardonnay that I like. It's just Wente. Wente makes cooking fun. Over pour. I love this knife. All right, last of the Brussels going in. I just cut them in half. No peeler at the Airbnb, so I'm just gonna chop up this pretty small into little bite-sized cubes, about 1 to 2 inches. So they're gonna cook at the same speed as the Brussels sprouts. Perfect. Now, garlic. Now for some herbs, I have some thyme, basil, and parsley. For the thyme, I don't want to get the stems in it, so I'm just gonna push off the little leaves. All right, and now I need to get some ghee in this dish. So you could also use some butter, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some of this ghee, which is clarified butter, and then I'm gonna add some olive oil. So the easiest way to get it out of these jars for me is just by using a fork. And I'm gonna get about 1 tablespoon, maybe 2, because I have so many veggies in here. It just comes out like that. It smells so good in here. And now for a little bit of olive oil, about 1 tablespoon. Salt, pepper. I wish you could smell this right now. It's so good. All right, stir it up. So now my veg is going into the oven. I'm actually gonna do 425, but you could do 400, you could do 375. It's just gonna take longer for that to get done. So the vegetables are gonna be done when you can pierce both the both the Brussels sprouts and the sweet potato with a fork when they're nice and tender. So I'm going to pop it in the oven, and every 10 minutes I'll take it out, stir it up to circulate the butter and the ghee, and then I think it'll be done in about 20 to 30 minutes. Here we go. It smells really good. Back into the oven it goes.